Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison of Textero AI and NeuroWriter. Now, Textero AI versus NeuroWriter, which AI writing tool wins? Are you stuck between Textero AI and NeuroWriter for your content needs? This is the second battle to refuse which AI tool writes better blogs, essays and marketing copy. It is perfect for students, marketers and writers. So let's get started. If you need killer content fast, Textero AI and NeuroWriter both promise to write like a pro. But which ones write for you? Let's settle this in 60 seconds. When it comes to what is best for, Textero AI is best for SEO blogs and marketing, while NeuroWriter is best for academic essays and reports. So who's the winner? Depends on what you want to use it for. Let's go to ease of use. Textero AI has a simple drag and drop system, while NeuroWriter uses advanced customization. So who's the winner? Textero AI for simplicity. Let's go to AI power. When it comes to AI power, Textero AI optimizes for SEO, while NeuroWriter cites sources accurately. So who's the winner? NeuroWriter, of course. When it comes to templates, Textero AI has about 50 plus pre-built prompts, while NeuroWriter is focused on academic styles. So the winner, Textero AI. Let's look at the price. Textero AI is free, has a free plan plus affordable plans, while NeuroWriter has free trial, then you pay. So who's the winner? Textero AI. So Textero AI equals SEO boss for blogs, but NeuroWriter gives you an A+ essay every time. So pick Textero for marketing and use NeuroWriter for homework. So Team Textero or Team NeuroWriter? Comment below. Smash like if this saved you hours of writing. Subscribe for more 1 minute tool battles. Do not forget to comment on which AI writer you trust more.